Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to charge your GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So, you want to take your GoPro and open the battery hatch, which is located right on the side next to blue logo. But we can't really open the hatch normally. First, we need to unlock it using this little switch here. So we want to simply use your fingernails and click it. So if you see the red, then you did a good job. Now you want to press and hold your finger pretty hard and move it downwards, which is a bit tricky, but we can also use the hatch here, and boom. Now you want to lift it upwards and you will see a charging port right here. So now all you want to do is simply want to plug in your USB-C cable that should be connected to some sort of power source. And if we see the red dot here, just like we are now, this means that our GoPro is now charging. So you can leave it for a couple of hours and it should be ready to go. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.